and this is my recipe for chocolate cookie crust peanut butter pie. So this fun fact is actually one of my all-time favorite desserts. As a kid, my sister can attest, we used to make this all the time. It was the best. We'd keep it in the freezer, eat it all week long. Oh my God, it's so good. I know it seems basic, but trust me, there is nothing better than this like frozen peanut butter pie. I used to make this pie with a graham cracker crumb crust, which you can absolutely do. But for this tasty video, I decided to switch it up and use chocolate sandwich cookies. So the crust is super simple. It's just some cookie crumbs and butter. And then you line the pan with that. And then you're just gonna bake that quickly to set. So now on to the delicious part. Every part is delicious, but this is like the most delicious part. So this filling is almost like a frozen mousse kind of thing. So we're lightening up the peanut butter with cream cheese and whipped cream and powdered sugar. It gets this like light and fluffy texture. So we're making like a peanut butter mousse. So you definitely want to use softened cream cheese here. Cream cheese is a little bit tricky to work with because it can often get pretty lumpy. So we're breaking down the process of mixing up this filling. So then you're gonna pour that filling right onto your already baked cookie crust. Smooth that out. Get a nice little design on there. You could like kind of like add some little things. Do you know what I mean? Like add some swirls, like do you. It's like an art project almost, you know?
Like a Gangnam style.
Gangnam style. Rie says it looks like a Gangnam style. Wait, how do they do that again? Is it that? Do you know the dance? Whoppa Gangnam style. Oh no, it's like that, right? So this is what you want to do to your pie. So Whoppa Gangnam style your pie. And then you're just gonna pop it in the freezer to set. The hardest part, because you have to wait. There's like something that happens in the freezer, magic or science, where this pie sets, but like it's so much better than even just like a cooled pie, like the frozen aspect of it. It's like the perfect, like silky, ice creamy, yet not quite as dense consistency. And now all you have left to do is top it. So I just spanked myself. So I topped this with a little bit more of those crushed cookie crumbs that we used for the base. But again, if you were using the graham cracker crust, you could do whatever you want. You could even just not top it with anything because it's delicious as is, but there you go. If you love me as much as I love this pie, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, fun fact, this is what the team made for me my first birthday at Tasty because I knew how much I love this pie.